afternoon everyone. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property consultant. At andito tayo ngayon sa Padilla, Antipolo to feature a beautiful townhouse that could be your future home. Alright, as you can see at my back, no, so overlooking po yung location ng ating property dito sa Antipolo. So, ito yung view mo every day.
Wow!
Diba? So, ating mga property po ay we have siguro magkakaroon ng mga properties dyan, and then going downside. And we have here our model units. Yan. And then meron tayong mga available units na at the side. Yan. Okay. Ayan. So, okay. So dito po sa location, dito po sa Antipolo Residences ay meron na pong line ng kuryente ang Meralco po. And of course, meron na rin po tayong ongoing na ginagawang tangke ng water which is operational by this year.
Wow!
Yan, di ba? Okay, so ngayon po ay ipapakita namin sa inyo. We will be having a short video tour of our model unit at Antipolo Residences. So let's go! Let's go! Ito na ang ating buyer. Yan, no? Okay, so this is our model unit. Ito po yung ating car garage. Ito po yung car garage mo. And ito yung daanan going to your main entrance. So this is your door. Okay, so pasok tayo. So, yan. So pagpasok po natin, this would be your living room and your dining room area. So meron tayo ditong mini kitchen. You can put your ref here. Then meron tayong windows dito. Yan. Then meron din tayong isa pang window doon for your proper ventilation and source of light. Okay, and of course, nandito po ang ating toilet and bath. Okay, so meron tayong dito po ang ating sink. We have our sink here, and then our bowl, and of course our shower. So medyo cute lang siya, pero pwede na. And yun. Nice. Okay, and going backward. So dito naman ang ating dirty kitchen. Ayun. And then this would be your, pakita natin back yung ating view. I just love the view here. Yan. Nice. Okay. Let's go. So ngayon po ay aakyat tayo sa ating second floor. Let's go! Yes, so pag-akyat natin dito guys, ito na yung ating toilet and bath. So, meron tayong ditong sink, and we have our bowl, and of course our shower. Okay. Okay, cute. So cute. Okay, and of course, this is our master's bedroom. This is our master's bedroom. Here. Okay, that's our master's bedroom. Yan, so pwede ka pa maglagay, no? Gusto mo maglagay ng mga built-in cabinets, pwede pa naman. And of course, meron tayong veranda dito para gusto mo magpahangin, or gusto mo mag-smoke, or gusto mo magmuni-muni lang. So you have your veranda here. Okay, so yan. So mapakita natin sa kanila yung view, no? So pwede kang maglagay dito ng coffee table. Ba cute? Maliit lang na table, tsaka isang upuan, pwede na. And that's your view. The greenery view. Okay. So, and aside from that, let's also see the bedroom 2. Come on. Okay, so this is our bedroom 2. So meron tayo dito double size. So, pwede kayo maglagay ng mga built-in cabinets if you want it. And you can put your closet here, your cabinets here, and ito yung aking, yan, that's our view sa ating window. No? So, you can see your neighborhood downstairs. Yan. It's so nice. Ganda ng view mo, no? Okay, so this property currently po yung property po natin ay binibenta po natin ng 3.2 yung total contract price. And meron po tayong available na ready for occupancy and pre-selling. So if you wanted na medyo stretch yung pagbabayad ng down payment, I would suggest that you will get a pre-selling units. Pero kung gusto mo na talagang mag-move in, eh, meron naman tayong capacity para mabayaran yung down payment para makalipat din agad. Pwede tayo mag-down payment ng usually 20 to 30%. And then the remaining balance ay iba-bank financing po natin. Okay, so please don't forget to comment if you have questions or meron kayong mga suggestions na gusto nyong i-tackle during the video tour in the future. So comment